Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If it's your first time here, welcome. I am Shauna. You can call me Shaunz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Now in today's video, I'll be doing a review slash demo of this palette that I recently picked up, and it's from the brand Lunar Beauty. Now I picked up this palette on a whim. I really picked it up because I love the color selection, and I thought, you know, why not? And it was also on sale on Beauty Bay. It was 30 something pounds and it went down to about 22 pounds, and of course I had to get it, so I did. Now this palette is in collaboration with Manny MUA, which most of you may know on here. He's a popular YouTuber and he came out with this palette with Lunar Beauty, and it's called Life's a Drag. Look how beautiful. I mean, look at that, guys. It's so eye-catching, and this is definitely going to be a collector's item. Can you see it? This is absolutely beautiful with the eyes, and then it says Life's a Drag there, and at the back it says Lunar Beauty. Life's a Drag color palette. I didn't expect it to be this big, but it's okay. I will get my money's worth. So it comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 shades, and this is what it looks like. 14 beautiful shades. So you have like the neutral colors over here, and then you have the bold shades over here, which is exactly what I love in a palette. I want to be able to do different looks when it comes on to a palette, and if there's a palette that has mixed shades like bold shades and neutral shades, then I'm definitely for that palette. Now what I'm going to do, you guys, is of course I'm going to tell you how I feel about this palette, and then I'm going to do a demo with this palette. So it has, as I said, 14 shades. You have Cake Face, Sickening, Haunty, Beat, Campy, Pageant Queen, and Kai Kai. And at the top here, the black, you have Shady, Trade, Mug, Legendary, Kai Kai, Snatched, and Fishy, this blue one right here. So they are really nice shades. What I'm going to do, you guys, is of course, you know, go ahead and do the look, and then I'm going to swatch them for you at the end of the video and come back and tell you, you know, if it's worth getting this palette. So let go. Okay, so I've already done my foundation and I've already done my brow. So what I'm going to do now, you guys, is go ahead and apply some primer, and I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro HD Camouflage Conceal Palette to prime my lids. So I'm just going to use any random shade because it doesn't matter. I just want something to lay my eyeshadow down. Then I'm going to go ahead and set that concealer in place using the Sacha Buttercup powder, just so my eyeshadows don't move, don't budge, really. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I must have lost the footage of when I started applying Snatched into my crease area, and as you can see, I am building that up, and I'm also blending as I go along. So what I've done is just added Snatch to my crease area, and I'm just blending it out. Then I'll be adding Legendary onto my lids. So basically, you guys, Snatch is a very nice berry shade, and it is quite pigmented, and also Legendary is quite pigmented, but you have to be careful because it can get a little messy. But what I did is wet my brush, and then I continue to tap that onto my lid just to get that lovely payoff. They're both lovely shades. So after wetting my brush a little bit, I'm going to go back into the palette and tap some more of that Legendary on my lid area because I want it to be really intense. And as you can see, I am continuing to pat that onto my lids, and I'm going to continue doing that until I get, you know, the amount that I really want to get. It's a really lovely golden shade. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with the shade Snatched. I'm going to put that on the outer corners and blend that into the crease and also the lid color. So time for some lashes. I'll be using the Shaunz Beauty lashes, and these are in the style Sensational, and these are 3D mink lashes, and they are long, fluttery, beautiful and comfortable. I've never worn lashes this dramatic, but I really love how they turned out, and I'm so sorry that I wasn't in the shot, you guys. I'm still practicing with this new camera, so my apologies for not being in the complete shot. Okay guys, another footage that I lost was when I applied Shady underneath my lash line. All I did was sweep it underneath my lash line, and then I added Beat in my inner corners, and that's pretty much it for the eyes. Alright, so I've already dusted off my Sacha Buttercup powder, so I'm going to set my face now with the MAC MSF powder in Dark Deep. And I'm going to use that to set my foundation in place so it does not budge. And I love this powder, you guys. I've spoken about it in many tutorials. I love it so much, and it's one of my favorite pressed powders. Alright, so for the lips, I'll be using MAC Lip Pencil in Cork, and then I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Spice. To highlight my face a bit, I'll be using the Black Up Times Jenny Jenkins highlighter palette, and you guys know how I feel about this palette. I love it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I do hope you like it. The lashes are a bit dramatic. This is more dramatic than I've ever worn, but it's to go with the theme of today, which is Life's a Drag. As the palette, as the palette says right here, Life's a Drag. So I had to whip out my dramatic lashes. Now my overall thoughts on this palette is that it was okay. I wasn't like wowed with it. It was an okay palette. I haven't swatched it on my arm as yet. I have done my eye look using this palette, which is okay. Really enjoyed using it. I like the look I created. It's a bit, ooh, girl, who's that girl in the mirror? The lashes are quite dramatic, and these lashes are, give me one second, these lashes are Sensational, and they are my more dramatic lashes. If you're looking for more dramatic lashes, and if you're that kind of girl, go ahead and check these out on my site, shaunzbeauty.com. I have 2 other dramatic lashes. Well, actually I have about 4 other dramatic lashes, something like that, but go ahead and check out the site so you guys can see. I have subtle lashes and I have dramatic lashes, and these, my friend, are one of the more dramatic. I like the look, you guys. It's okay. I like the eyes. I like the golden with the brown and the red, and of course I've smoked out my under eye to give it that, you know, sultry look. So I do hope you like it. What do you guys think? Yeah, so overall guys, my thoughts on this palette is not bad, but it's not something that you have to get in your collection. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my arm so you guys can see what the colors look like, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the top row. I'm going to leave the names on the screen. The neutral shades, which are on the left, weren't great. They weren't a very good swatch, but as for the bolder colors, they weren't too bad. And I was a bit harsh in the beginning about the palette, but I must say that they are nicely pigmented, especially this last row. The colors were really nice. And if you want to get it, I would say go ahead and get it, but I think I'm just spoiled by the Morphe and Revolution palettes. But it's nice overall, you guys. Also, don't forget that this palette is more on the expensive side, so that's why I was a little bit more harsh than usual. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you have this palette or if you plan on getting it, do let me know. Let me know your thoughts on the look. Let me know your thoughts on the swatches, of course. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you liked the look. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and all that good stuff. Turn on your notifications. I can barely say that word. Turn on your notifications. Follow me on all social media platforms. They're listed down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.